Everything is frequency. Everything is vibration. And a great way to be able to elevate your vibration, to raise your frequency into a space of greater balance, greater alignment with the natural rhythm and flow of life, is to bring yourself out into nature and allow yourself to breathe in the fresh air. Allow yourself to receive the light and the warmth of the sun. Allow your feet to touch the earth and to soak up its divine pulse that it's emitting every moment. Allow your eyes to gaze upon the magnificent colors and beauty that is all around you in nature. To breathe in and witness the greenery of the trees and the sounds and songs of the birds and the colors of the flowers. Vibrational frequency is everything. And everything is emitting a vibrational frequency, including yourself. So when you need a moment, when you need several moments to just realign, to come back into the balance, to feel more like yourself and how you really like to be and experience, step out into nature, wherever you are, and be present with her and welcome her blessings, knowing that she is releasing a divine pulse of her own electromagnetic frequency. Then you can attune yourself to this. Welcome Mother Nature's divine pulse to rise up in through and around you, to breathe it in, to absorb it in. She has her own wisdom of being able to bring this sense of ease, this sense of calm, this sense of stillness that is your natural state. Try it on. Welcome the blessings, the higher frequencies that our beautiful Mother Nature can bring.